Hello, my viewers and subscribers. How are you doing today? Today is a very, very lovely day. It's full of sun. It's warm. Look at me. Today is a no coat day, a no pullover day, a no sweater day. I am outside, guys. I am outside without even wearing a sweater. Look at me. It's a very lovely day. It's a lovely day. So there goes the tram, guys. Look at the tram. That's the tram. And yes, guys, thank you so much for your support, for your love. I love you all. This is just a short message to you guys to say thank you and I love you. Now, you, all of you, enjoy your day. See you later. This is me, guys. This is me. I'm at my apartment, at my building door. Look at me. This is me.